And then protection. So my boy at Ironclad RC put out a truck video today, so I thought we'd flop channels content and I would put out some beautiful boat footage. Okay, so I started off with an old drawer from a cabinet, put some 1x4 runners in there, equally spaced, 5 1/8 inches, which is the distance between the two pontoons on the Veles catamaran. And I initially did it as a work stand, so I could put it down and have the nice work stand area, right? But then I have the old pop-up shade thing, right? And it got blown away and beat up this year. So I got the bag for it that went around the pop-up, 10x10 pop-up, and check it out. All right, so you just lay it there, and then set your boat in, all right, and then there you go. Boat's all protected, right? You can pick it up and take it in the bag, right? Or just leave it on the stand. Pick the stand up and go. So other than the whole protection and storage deal, I also got this for the boat this week. It's called an auto baler. You put it in the back end of the hull. Got to drill a hole in the hole in the hole, hole. Get it? 2-piece. This goes in from the back side. It's got a little BB in there. This goes in from the outside. And what the deal is when the boat's sitting, ball locks the hole so it doesn't get any water. But then when you torque and give it gas, all the water will go out. The ball rolls back, the water rolls out. It's called a auto baler. I might have the link for it. I'll put it in the description or maybe over here. So, here is the hole, H-O-L-E, in the hull, H-U-L-L. I'm geek, sorry. So, need to drill the hole out a little bigger. Auto baler will go in here and will be cha-cha. Here's your RC related public service announcement. Make sure and wrap it up. Wrap it up for your protection. NorCal out. Okay, well, it looks like a big enough drill bit. Yes, Unibit steps it in nice. And so then we'll check our auto baler, the threaded piece, and yeah, so that doesn't look money, right? All right, but that piece actually goes on the inside. This ought to be a fun one. With my fat hands. My fat hands, they stick together. Oh, Jesus. Yeah. And there is the auto baler finished installed. And there's the auto baler install from the inside. You notice that hand laid fiberglass on this hole? Stiff.